This is a video product review of the TOOVREN 3-brush set. It is a stainless steel brush, a brass brush, a nylon brush. Comes in one package. Price is extremely reasonable. These are very comfortable to hold. You can place your thumb here for added pressure. You can place your thumb here for added pressure. You have the toothbrush style brush over here. You can use these for cleaning, for removing paint, for removing rust, for cleaning tiles. You just want to make sure you use the right brush so that you are not going to do any damage or scratching. This is perfect for the shop, perfect for the house, perfect for the car, especially something like this where you just want to clean off a little bit of caked on wax on your car, but you don't want to damage the finish. It's a very smooth nylon brush. Just make sure that you're not going to damage the whatever you're working on. We've got the brass brush here. This has a lot of power, a lot of strength. This is going to go in there and remove rust, paint. This one over here, the stainless steel, this is solid. This is very heavy duty. You're going to be able to get into tight spots with this end piece over here, and you're going to be able to do big areas with this brush. Very easy to go in different directions, up and down, sideways, and this little piece over here is wonderful. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description so that you can order this from the TOOVREN store on Amazon. The 3-wire brush set, nylon, brass, and stainless steel with a curved handle.